This video is about Yelp's call to action feature. This is a paid feature, and most of the time it comes together with Yelp paid ads. Now, a call to action is a simple button that allows for you to link to some particular action. It could be asking your potential client to visit your website, to give you a call, to view your business, to request a consultation, to view an offer. It can have a wide array of different types for the action button. Now, I am currently on a Yelp search results page. I did a search for real estate in San Francisco, and these are all the results that Yelp is showing. So you could see that these top 3 agents all have a call to action button. So they have different values: contact agent, request virtual consultation, view business. If we scroll down, we can see another agent having a call to action here, which says contact agent. So if we click on that, we will get landed on a page. Well, it's actually a pop-up that allows for us to contact the agent. So this is a simplified way for a potential client, for a lead, to actually get in touch with that business. Now, if we scroll down on the search results a little bit more, we can see that many more real estate agents have a call to action button. Now, if we visit just one of those pages, we can see that this button also shows on their page with the same value. So it said get a virtual consultation on the search results page, and this is exactly what we also see on their business page. Now, according to Yelp's knowledge base, we can have different values for the call to action button. It could be get directions, get offer, join now, learn more, order online. Here's a very nice example of an order online. So this business is actually using a call to action with an order online button. From my experience, from my clients' experience, from what I hear from business owners, probably the least effective call to action would be to contact us, to call us, because this is also available by them simply visiting your page. So when they are on your page, they do see your phone number right there. So it's not very effective. So to also have a call to action button right there. When I get questions from my clients, from business owners, whether or not it's worth it to have a call to action, I always like to say that it's worth to actually test it and try it. There's no one best answer to this. You do need to try it. If you are considering it, and just see for yourself how it works for you. According to Yelp's knowledge base, it does increase leads and performance, but you really do need to test. Only then you could see for yourself. However, one thing that I normally do recommend before doing that is to actually get your page properly set up and optimized so that you could actually start getting more people onto your page. As you are getting more people on your page, you can then test the call to action button. If you need help with proper page optimization to start getting more business, to help more people find your business, get in touch with me. I will be happy to help you with that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me.